best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies.
Hello and welcome to my home. My name is Ashley Marie and I have some morning cleaning motivation for you this morning. It's extreme. I have condensed 2.5 hours down into 6 minutes worth of footage. If this doesn't get your morning motivated, I don't know what will. I am cleaning walls, I'm cleaning floors, we've got dishes to unpack, I've got some organization, decluttering, we're going through the laundry. It's jam-packed full of cleaning inspiration, organization, decluttering. So if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you click the button down below, as it's all cleaning and homemaking content here on my channel. And of course, give it a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Just over 5 minutes on the clock, people, let's go.